Hi everyone, I'm Nikki and I'm back with your market update for October. I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about the market at the moment. Well, September was definitely a month to remember and proved to cause quite a shockwave throughout the UK and the global economy. With Queen Elizabeth II doing her final handover of the Prime Minister's role to Liz Truss, her sadly passing just a few days later, the sterling falling to historic lows against the global currencies, and mortgage lenders being forced to withdraw a significant amount of their products. With the government's mini budget being rather controversial, it's fairly safe to say there's going to be a period of uncertainty until the longer term outlook is a little clearer. There was the positive announcement of some much needed financial support to households and businesses to help tackle the energy crisis, and also the recent cuts to stamp duty, which was most welcomed by people in the property sector. So for first-time buyers, they won't need to pay any stamp duty up to $425,000. And the threshold for the purchase price has actually risen to $625,000, meaning there's a potential maximum saving of $6,250. The tax cuts, though, did cause some serious reactions in the mortgage markets, with the prospect of these higher interest rates effectively cooling our continuously growing market over the last couple of years. But despite the concerns over the rising cost of living, according to HMRC, August proved the strongest sales since 2007, and the Bank of England reported an increase in mortgage approvals, with 74,000 mortgages being approved, which was the highest level since January this year. It can obviously all sound quite alarming when listening to the media. However, the price growth of newly listed properties is tracking back to the longer-term season norms, and market dynamics are beginning to shift back more into balance and the pre-pandemic levels. We are very much in a wait-and-see kind of place, though, until the Chancellor reveals more details and any costings in November. Now might be a good time to understand the value of your greatest asset. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions at all or want to arrange a free valuation of your home, please don't hesitate to get in touch.